Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the woven fans stitch. This stitch creates a really beautiful open texture with a bit of movement, and it works well for things like scarves, blankets, and other lightweight projects. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along at your own pace, and once you get the repeat, it will become very easy to work. Let's go ahead and get started. For today's tutorial, you can use any yarn that you want. This isn't really a project, this is just practicing a stitch. I'm going to be using Knit Pal Cotton to the Core DK because I love the stitch definition on this yarn. And I'm going to use a hook to match this yarn, which is a 3.75 millimeter. But if you're using a different type of yarn, just use the hook size recommended, a pair of scissors, and then something to weave in the ends of your project with. For the woven fans crochet stitch, it is worked in multiples of 10 plus 3, and then plus an additional 3 for the foundation chain. So we're going to, for this tutorial, chain 16 to start. So start with your slip knot, and then we'll chain 16. I'll do 3 chains with you, and then we'll do the rest off camera and come back. Okay, in the 5th chain from the hook, we're going to put 2 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 double crochets. In that same stitch, we'll put another one. And then we're going to skip 1 chain. And in the next chain, we're going to put 2 double crochets again. And then we're going to chain 2. Skip 2 chains. 1, 2. In that next one, we're going to put a single crochet, chain 2, and then another single crochet, and then we're going to chain 2, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and then put 2 double crochets into that next chain. Skip 1, put 2 double crochets into the next one. And then we're just going to put 1 double crochet into the last chain. This is considered step 1. This is the only time we're going to do step 1. We're going to turn. We'll do step 2 and then step 3, and then step 2 and 3 repeat over and over until it's the length that you desire. So let's move on to step 2. We're going to chain 3. This is going to count as a double crochet, so we're not going to go into this first double crochet, but we're going to put 2 double crochets into the middle of that first 2 double crochet group. And then we're going to put 2 double crochets into the middle of the next 2 double crochet group. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start a double crochet in this chain space between the 2 single crochets. You'll start a double crochet, yarn over, but just only go through 2. Don't stop there then. Yarn over, go back into the stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2. Now you see you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and go through all 3. And then chain 1. We're going to repeat that 2 more times into the same space. So go back into that chain space, draw up a loop, yarn over, just go through 2. Yarn over, go back into that same space, draw up a loop, yarn over, just go through 2. And then yarn over and go through the last 3. Chain 1. One more time. Yarn over, go into the chain space, draw up a loop, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go back into the chain space, drop a loop, yarn over, go through 2. Now you have 3 loops, yarn over, and go through all 3. And then we are going to yarn over and do 2 double crochets into this middle of this 2 double crochet grouping from below. And then you're going to put 2 double crochets into this 2 double crochet grouping from below. Then you're going to put a double crochet into this space here. And then turn. This was just step 2 right there. Let's move on to step 3. For step 3, we're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. We're going to put 2 double crochets in between the 2 double crochets from the row below. Then we're going to do that again, 2 double crochets in the middle of the 2 double crochets from the row below. And then we're going to chain 2. Look for that middle stitch there. There's 3 clusters here. In that middle cluster, you're going to put a single crochet, chain 2, and then a single crochet into that same spot, chain 2. You're going to put 2 double crochets in the middle of the 2 double crochet group from below. Then we're going to put 2 double crochets into the middle of the next grouping from below. And then you're going to put 1 double crochet into that last space and turn. From here, we just repeat steps 2 and 3 until you have the desired length. I have them time-stamped in my description. You just need to, if you need a refresher, you can go into the timestamp and it'll take you right to step 2 or right to step 3 if you want to go back and see that again. I'm going to put a few more rows on and then come back and show you. And that's how you crochet the woven fan stitch. Once you get comfortable with the repeat, it's a really relaxing stitch to work, and it has a lot of possibilities depending on the yarn you choose. I'll be sharing a few projects using this stitch, so if you'd like to see how to turn it into something you can use or gift, those videos will be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoy stitch tutorials like this, you're always welcome to subscribe.